Hi guys, my name is Deidra Green. I am a corporate field trainer here at European Wax Center, and I've been a licensed esthetician for about the past 9 years. So today we are going to talk about strawberry legs, which is very interesting, and there's a little bit to unpack here because I think a lot of people kind of don't understand that strawberry legs is really like an overarching umbrella term. It could mean a bunch of different things. So let's walk through kind of the different things that strawberry legs means and how you can help to treat it or overcome the struggles that come along with having strawberry legs. So first, if you don't know what strawberry legs are, it's just a term that people use that kind of says that they have like dark spots in the hair follicles on their legs that they can always see. Another common term that falls under the category of strawberry legs is keratosis pilaris. That's the fancy term that some people use for strawberry legs. So keratosis pilaris is a fancy way of saying that you have a buildup of dead skin cells on your skin, or an overgrowth of dead skin cells on your skin. So one of the first things that people with strawberry legs might be experiencing, or you might be experiencing strawberry legs because you're doing this, is that you're shaving probably with an old razor that's been in your shower for quite some time. Those razors definitely can have a buildup of bacteria on them. They're not as sharp as they need to be. So as you're shaving, you're creating some trauma to the skin. And trauma to the skin is going to cause dark marks. Also, shaving can cause some ingrown hairs, especially if the razor that you're using isn't sharp enough. So if you think that this might be the reason that you have strawberry legs, or if you know that this is something that you're doing, I would probably switch to waxing immediately, or at the very least make sure that you are using a razor that is sharp and that is clean. Another reason why you might be experiencing strawberry legs is because you just have blackheads. I think a lot of times people think that blackheads are only going to affect your face, but they can affect you anywhere all over your body. So blackheads are just dirt and oil that is caught inside of the pore that has been exposed to oxygen. So once it hits that air, it oxidizes and it turns into that dark mark, or it turns black, where we get the term blackheads from. So to combat this, you definitely want to try to switch to waxing. Waxing, every time you do it, is going to weaken the follicle. So you're gonna have a smaller, weaker hair that's gonna be coming through, not able to cause that dark marks or ingrown hairs or hyperpigmentation. So switching to waxing could definitely be helpful if you think that you're experiencing strawberry legs because of this reason. The second reason why you may be experiencing strawberry legs is because you just have clogged pores. So I think sometimes people think that you can only get blackheads on your face, but you can get blackheads over your entire body, wherever there is skin. So I think that if you want to really combat this, you need to use a product that has an AHA or BHA in it to really get down into the pore and give you more of a chemical exfoliation as opposed to a manual exfoliation. So our ingrown hair wipes is what I recommend for this. These are our Smooth Me ingrown hair wipes, if you guys can see those. I absolutely love them because of the presence of AHAs and BHAs in it to get down into the pore, really clean it out, and make sure that I have smooth, glowing skin. Our Smooth Me ingrown hair wipes are also gentle enough that you can use them every day. You would just get out of the shower, you can wipe your legs down with these, and then you'd be done for the day. You will have treated your strawberry legs. So with any sort of skin condition or anything like that, there's always a little bit of a hereditary component to it, but that doesn't mean that you can't help to reduce the appearance of the strawberry legs on your skin. So for that, I would definitely recommend using something like a body polish. So for us, we have the Paradise Strut Smooth and Refined Body Polish, and we also have this in a bunch of different scents. This one just happens to be the one that I use. It's my favorite because it reminds me of the beach. It just has a nice, really tropical smell to it, and it's just my favorite preferred line that I use. So that's the one that I recommend for you guys. But any scent that you get at EWC is going to give you a nice, good scrub so that you can break down those skin cells, get that dead skin sloughed off, and then you'll allow those hair follicles to break through. You won't have as many ingrown hairs, and you won't have as rough of the texture that strawberry legs can sometimes cause. So dry skin means that you have a compromised barrier. Skin is meant to protect your body. So if your barrier is compromised, that makes it more prone to ingrown hairs. It makes it more prone to trauma, which means it makes it more prone to hyperpigmentation. The easiest way to combat super dry skin is by 1, drinking more water, and 2, moisturizing your skin every single day. So I like to use, again, Paradise Strut, Nourish and Soothe body lotion. And the reason why I really love this body lotion is because it's full of humectants. And humectants are just another fancy term that just means a water binder. So this is gonna hold on to the moisture that's in your skin and seal it there, just to keep your skin nice and hydrated. And when you have nice, hydrated, smooth skin, it's easier for hairs to poke through the follicles. It also is gonna decrease that trauma that you have to the skin that may be causing that hyperpigmentation and those dark marks, otherwise known as strawberry legs. Either way, regardless of what may be causing your strawberry legs, a very important step that I want you to remember, if you don't remember anything else from this video, is that you need to moisturize and hydrate your skin every single day.